ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। On page number 84 in Tika, there was one shabda, dhunite. Last line, Tika. Shruti virodena anumanam dhunite. In this, dhatu is dhui kampane. Dhui dirgha, dhu dirgha, dhui kampane. Dhui kampane dhatu is in swadi gana etc. also. If you look for those, you will not find dhunite. Dhunati etc. other prayogas will be there. This will be there only in Kriyadi Gana. So just note that, because otherwise you will not find Dhunite itself. Okay. Now we are on page number 86. Bhashya, second line. Second paragraph. Shudhartasya pratisheda jnana sanskritasya abhakshye abhodyeva pratyupasthite kalanja abhishasta अन्नादाविदं भक्ष्यम अदो भोज्यम इति वा ज्ञानम उत्पन्नम तद विषयया प्रतिषेध ज्ञान स्मृत्या बाध्यते. वाक्यम इज लॉन्ग बट मीनिंग इज वेरी सिंपल. Others are also very simple. Kalanja bhakshanam pratished jnana. Siddhanti says how this vakya is pramanam without it there being any anushteyatvam. Shudharasya, the one shudhaya, shudhaya artaha. Shudha means hunger. Artha means dukhi. So, dukhi by or because of shudha. Shudhartasya prati shudhaya artaha. Pratishedha jnana samskritasya. Not only he is hungry because of the or dukhi because of the hunger, but he is also well informed of pratishedha jnana. Pratishedha jnana samskritasya. अभक्ष्ये अभोज्य वा. इन अभक्ष्य वस्तु और अभोज्य 5 and means kalanje. Abhojye means अभक्ष्य अभोज्य वा. प्रत्युपस्थिते कलंज अभिशस्त अन्नादौ. अभिशस्त is actually on this page 87. 12 number tippani you see. Abhishasta Annam means Annam of this person. Who is this person? 12 number tippani. Mithya kalanko abhishapah अनेन ब्राह्मणो हतः इति एवं आदिः तम ahatavato api pumsah. So that tippani is for that person, bhojan of that person. That is nishiddha. It is abhishapa yukta pumsah annam. Who is that abhishapa yukta? So what the tippani said? Mithya kalanka, the one who has mithya kalanka, means because of some reason kalanka has come on that person. It is not right. It is not proved. But people are just talking about it. What? Anena brahmano hatah. Anena purushena. This person has, by him, a brahman has been killed. Brahmano hatah. Iti evam adihi. Tam brahmanam ahatavato api pumsa. Even if that person has actually not killed that brahmana, means according to Vedas, if you have a doubt whether this person is a killer or not, you should not eat in that house. This is what that vakya means. So such bhojanam is called, such annam is abhojyam. Abhakshya means kalanja, you already know. Abhojya is where there is doubt whether this person has committed some brahmana hatya or any other such crime. Then even if doubt is there, you don't eat. So imagine those people who go for bhikshatana. These people are actually waiting to give bhiksha, and if he bypasses your house and goes to the next one, then you understand you have to do some more shuddhi karma. In the olden days, these such things were there. And kalanjam, that meaning is given in tika. Vishalipta bana hatasya pashor mamsam. Anuswara is missing. Mamsam. Vishalipta bana hatasya pashoho mansam is kalanjam. So that kalanjam is abhakshya. And abhishapa pumsaha annam will be abhojya. Okay, so both shabdas are clear now. But you see, they have given, Veda has given some strict rules, right? Now, in the modern days, somebody may not do brahmatya, but let's say that person runs some unethical businesses, which there are enough people who do such things. It is not advisable to have bhojan there. So if somebody, I don't have to mention anything, but it just, this is the guideline. Pashor mansam kalanjam in tika, brahmavadha adi abhishapa yuktasya annapanadi abhojyam. Brahmavadha abhishapa. So a person on whom there is such doubt, abhishapa yuktasya annapanadi abhojyam. Annapanadi there is abhojya vastu. Tasmin abhakshe abhojye cha prapte. When that is there. Then in Bhashya what is given? अन्नादौ इदम भक्ष्यम अदो भोज्यम इति वा ज्ञानम उत्पन्नम तद विषयया प्रतिषेध ज्ञान स्मृत्या बाध्यते. When pratished jnana smriti comes, that no, I should not eat bhojanam of this kind, kalanjam, etc., or should not eat in this house. Pratished jnana smriti comes. Pratished jnana smritya badhyate. Kim badhyate? किं बाध्यते?
Not to have a bhiksha in that house.
No.
ज्ञानम् उत्पन्नं ज्ञानम्।
ज्ञानं बाध्यते। किं बाध्यते? ज्ञानं बाध्यते। किं प्रकार का ज्ञानं बाध्यते? इदम भक्ष्यम अदो भोज्यम तद ज्ञानम बाध्यते. If that jnanam is there, oh, this is worth eating, this is worth enjoying, such thing, when that person who is kshudharta but also nishiddha or pratisheda jnana samskrita buddhi, then when that pratisheda jnana smriti comes, by that smritya jnanam badhyate. Idam bhakshyam ado bhojyam means that jnana will become blocked, that this should be eaten. That jnana will remain pratibadha now. Why? Because it is objected. See that tika line. Tasmin abhakshye abhojye cha prapte yad brahma jnanam shut-kshamasya utpannam तन निषेध धी संस्कृतस्य तद्धि स्मृत्या बाध्यम इति अत्र लौकिक दृष्टान्तम् आह. तन निषेध धी संस्कृतस्य तद्धि स्मृत्या बाध्यम. किं बाध्यम? किं बाध्यम? ब्रह्मज्ञानं बाध्यम. ब्रह्मज्ञानं बाध्यम. किं प्रकार का ब्रह्मज्ञानं? क्षुत्क्षामस्य उत्पन्नम ब्रह्मज्ञानम. क्षुत्क्षाम means that hunger is there, I want to do shamanam of that. That क्षुत्क्षामस्य उत्पन्नम brahmajnanam. That what is the erroneous jnanam? That this is bhakshyam bhojyam. That jnanam will get badita by the nishedha buddhi, smriti. In that laukika drashtantam aha. मृगतृष्णिकायाम इव पेय ज्ञानम तद विषय याथात्म्य विज्ञानेन तस्मिन् बाधिते स्वाभाविक विपरीत ज्ञाने अनर्थकरी तद भक्षण भोजन प्रवृत्तिर न भवति. मृगतृष्णिकायाम इव पेय ज्ञानम तद विषय याथात्म्य विज्ञानेन तस्मिन् बाधिते. पेय ज्ञानम gets negated by Yathatmya Vijnanam of Mrigatrishnika. That Mrigatrishnika Jalam is not for drinking because it is not there. So that Piya Jnanam Tasmin Badite, then what will happen? Swabhavika Viparita Jnane Anarthakari Tad Bhakshana Bhojana Pravrittir Na Bhavati. Pravritti hi na bhavati. Pravritti will be avoided. That pravritti is avoided because that pravritti is anarthakari. Just like that, in this bhaksha bhojya also, viparita jnane anarthakari pravritti hi na bhavati. You will be stopped. That don't do this. What is that anarthakari pravritti? He says it is swabhavika pravritti. Means swabhavatah we tend to do what is anartha for us, and to do what is sarthaka we need shastra. That's why that devata and asura, this was the bheda explained in the beginning itself. Swabhavik pratyaksha anumana pramana and shastra pramana jnana. टीका. तथापि प्रवृत्ति अभाव सिद्धये विधि ही अर्थ्यताम इति चेत न. For pravritti abhava siddhi, some another vidhi is required. It says no. That jnanam itself, nishiddha jnanam itself will prevent you from pravritti. Pravritti abhava siddhi is not another vidhi. Like how he was saying earlier, abhakshanam kartavyam. So that will become another vidhi. He said that is not another vidhi. Right? So that tasmin badite swabhavika viparita jnane anarthakari ityadi. तद अभावः प्रवृत्ति अभावो न विधि जन्य प्रयत्न साध्यो निमित्ता भावेनैव सिद्धेः इत्यर्थः. तद अभावः प्रवृत्ति अभावः न विधि जन्य प्रयत्न साध्यः. तद अभावः means प्रवृत्ति अभाव is not विधि जन्य प्रयत्न साध्य. Why? निमित्त अभावेन एव सिद्धेः. Because निमित्त is not there. निमित्ता भावे नैमित्तिका भाव. Nimitta is not there, then you don't have to tell anybody, don't do this. That nimitta itself is gone. That nimitta, because of which I was running after that food, because there was ishta sadhanatvam. Nimitta was what? Ishta sadhanatvam. That ishta sadhanatvam, when it is associated with balavat anishta anubandhitvam, the ishta sadhanatva buddhi itself will go away from that. It is not my ishta anymore. Drashtantam upasamharati. Before that, one vakya is there in Bhashya. Viparita jnana nimittayaha pravrittir nivrittireva na punar yatnaha karyas tadabhave. How will you complete the sentence? You tell. Viparita jnana nimittayaha pravrittir nivrittireva na punar yatnaha karyaha tadabhave. What is tadabhave? What is tad?
विपरीत ज्ञान निमित्त अभाव.
विपरीत ज्ञान निमित्त.
No. Means you think an answer. Just because somebody is answering, you also answer the same thing. See, what is the Vakya saying? Wait. Viparita jnana nimittayaha pravrittehe. Viparita jnana nimitta is pravritti. Viparita jnana nimittayaha pravrittehe nivrittihi eva. Viparita jnana nimitta, that pravritti which was there, its nivritti itself is the result. Nivrittihi eva. Na punaha yatnaha karyaha. That nivritti itself is the result. Other than that nivritti, no other work needs to be done. Na punaha yatnaha karyaha. Means it is not that I start from one pravritti and now I have to do something else. Only viparita jnana based pravritti which was there, from that nivritti is there. Tad abhave. So now what is tad abhave? Pravrittir abhave. You see, viparita jnana nimitta abhave you cannot say. Viparita jnana nimitta is still there. That's why you stopped the pravritti and you have withdrawn. Now, tad abhave means pravritti abhave na yatnaha karyaha. Because pravritti is not there, now no more effort is required. Tasmat प्रतिषेध विधीनां वस्तु याथात्म्य ज्ञान निष्ठता एव न पुरुष व्यापार निष्ठता गंधोपि अस्ति. So therefore प्रतिषेध विधि means प्रतिषेध वाक्य प्रतिषेध विधिनां वाक्यानां वस्तु याथात्म्य ज्ञान निष्ठता एव. They are there only for वस्तु याथात्म्य ज्ञान. They will tell you this is how this object is. वस्तु याथात्म्य ज्ञान निष्ठता एव न पुरुष व्यापार निष्ठता. So what Siddhant is doing, he is using this pratisheda vakya as drishtanta, and darshtanta is vedanta vakya, tattvamasi aham brahmasmi vakya. Just as nisheda vakya or pratisheda vakya, all I have to do is understand and not do anything, and still they will teach me what I did not know, and I will get some phalam in the form of anishta nivritti. In the same way, Vedanta Vakya also, they will tell me something which I did not know, number one. So it is Ajnata Jnapaka. Second, Phalavat. It will give me some phalam. What is that phalam? My Ishta Prapti, Anishta Nivritti, etc. And in that there is no Anushtanam. So all conditions are met, and that Vakya is Pramanam. This is the whole purpose of this Kalanja Bhakshanam, etc. Drishtanta. And for that, Vyapara is not there. Now, how do we understand? See further. Tika. Darshtantikam aha. Now he gives Darshtantikam. Tatha ihapi Paramatmadi Yathatmya Jnana Vidinam Tavan Matra Paryavasanata Eva Syat. Paramatmadi Yathatmya Jnana Vidinam Vakyanam Tavan Matra Paryavasanata. Tavan Matra means whatever was there for Drishtanta, same is true for Darshtanta. 11 number Tippani. Paramatmadi. Paramatma tat padartha. So now slowly you remember what we are actually going to study in Bradaranyaka. Paramatma means tat padartha. Adina tvam padartha. Atma. Tayoho yathatmyam nirupadikam swarupam. तद विषयक ज्ञानोत्पादक विधीनाम तत्वमादि महावाक्यानाम अवांतर वाक्यानाम च इत्यर्थः. So those vakyas which talk about tat padartha, tvam padartha, their yathatmyam means nirupadika swarupam means lakshyartha vakya, and avantar vakyas which are required to produce this knowledge of Tatpada and Tvampada. Avantar Vakyanam cha. Vedanteshu vidhi abhavat. Vidhi shabdo vakya paratvena eva vyakhyata iti dheya. In Vedanta, underline this or note this in whichever way you note. Vedanteshu vidhi abhavat. In Vedanta Vakya, there is no vidhi. Therefore, vidhi shabda you should understand as Vakya. Vakya paratvena eva vyakhyata. So vidinam tavan matra paryavasanata eva syat. Vidinam means vakyanam, because vidhi is not there, but such vakya, they are only tavan matra, means yathartha jnanam they will give, and that's where it will end. Siddha vastu matra tatparyavatta eva ityartha. They will be the bodhaka of siddha vastu. तथा तद विज्ञान संस्कृतस्य तद विपरीत अर्थ ज्ञान निमित्तानां प्रवृत्तीनां अनर्थार्थत्वेन न्यायमानत्वात्। तद विज्ञान संस्कृतस्य तद विपरीत अर्थ ज्ञान निमित्तानां प्रवृत्तीनां अनर्थार्थत्वेन न्यायमानत्वात्। पर्सन हु is informed and that samskara is there about I am Brahma. The Tatpada, Tompada Vichara is done. Person who knows what is my Swarupa, for that person, you have to see first Tika, because Tika has Tatha Tatha twice Pratika. One Tatha we have seen. Before that, next Tatha you have to see Tika. न केवलं तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां सिद्ध वस्तु मात्र पर्यवसानता किंतु सर्व कर्म निवर्तकत्वम अपि सिद्ध्यति। तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां न केवलं सिद्ध वस्तु मात्र पर्यवसानता, not that they will conclude only in siddha vastu, but also sarva karma nivartakatvam. This is sannyasa. So sannyasa means actually you withdraw from all karmas. In 9 number tippani, vihita nishiddha sakala karma. From all karma when he withdraws. Sakala karma nivartakatvam. Sakala karma nivartakatvam will be where? Kasya? तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यस्य और तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां सर्वकर्म निवर्तकत्वं सिद्ध्यति इत्याह। तथा तद्विज्ञान संस्कृतस्य person who is trained, who has samskaras of this Vedanta jnana, tad viparita artha jnana nimittanam pravrittinam anartharthatvena. He says, I am Sukha Swarupa. Shoka is not my Swarupa. So therefore, not to grieve. Tasya ko mohaha ka shokaha ekatvam anupashyata. Tatra ko moha ka shokaha ekatvam anupashyata. So there is no shoka moha. Why? When he sees ekatvam. So the one who is tad vijnana samskrita, ekatva vijnana samskrita, brahma jnana samskrita, then he will not have this problem. So this knowledge should help me in avoiding problems, getting into that dukkham, getting into any negativity. That jnanam will become my shield to protect me. Bhaya or mostly insecurity is there that expresses in so many different ways. So when I understand I am the only thing secure, I am Brahma, everything else is insecure, why should I worry about myself? Tato na vijugupsate. Gup dhatu, gupu rakshane. So he doesn't have any effort to protect himself anymore. Jnanam is going to protect him. All the other pravrittis are for anartha. Anartharthatvena jnayamanatvat. Tika. Akartru abhoktru brahma aham iti jnana samskritasya pravrittinam abhavaha syat iti sambandha. Akartri bhoktri means akartru abhoktru brahma, I am. Person who is such a, whose mind is samskrita with this jnana, means enough of these samskaras are there. But remember, enough of this samskara does not mean that if I have done it for only 7 years or 8 years, it is not enough. I need 25 years. Then it is there. In Shuddha Antakarana, quickly it will happen. And in Ashuddha Antakarana, no matter how much you go on repeating, again the same problem will keep coming. So, because otherwise what will happen, how long you have done upasana, that will become important. That is not important. For jnanam, it is instantaneous. ब्रह्म ज्ञान संस्कृतस्य प्रवृत्तीनाम अभावस्यात् इति संबंधः. प्रवृत्तीनां विहित निषिद्ध कर्म मात्र विषयिकाणाम् इत्यर्थः. तस्मात् ब्रह्म भावाद् विपरीतो अर्थो यस्य कर्तृत्वादि ज्ञानस्य तन्निमित्तानाम् अनर्थार्थत्वेन ज्ञायमानत्वात् इति हेतुः. ब्रह्म भावाद् विपरीतो अर्थो यस्य. ब्रह्म भावाद् विपरीतो अर्थो, व्हाट इज दैट? अहम कर्ता अहम भोक्ता. सो कर्तृत्वादि ज्ञानस्य तन्निमित्तानाम् अनर्थार्थत्वेन, इट इज ओनली अनर्थ. एनी कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व will punish you. Punish you means in your buddhi, sometime you will get hit. Oh, I did so much and this is what has to happen. Means you are bhokta now. I did so much, I was karta. And this is what I am going to experience, means I am bhokta. So kartrutva bhoktritva is going to give you suffering. Like sometimes, parents, they do so much. Kartrutva bhoktritva bhava, if it is there, and then the child will behave according to his thinking, he will do whatever he wants. So many years we did this, and now this is what we have to see. That's why Brahmanistha Guru should never feel towards disciples that I am doing this, I have karta bhava, and then in future I will get something. You are going to become another samsari then. Then you are not Shrotriya. You do it because that is your swabhava, that's all. No expectation, nothing. You are free. That's why to teach Brahma Vidya, first you have to have that protection. Then you enter. Then don't worry. Otherwise, like that hot iron axe, you touch it, you will get burned. So that is Bhayankar. Nimittanam anartharthatvena jnayamanatvad iti hetu. When their abhava will happen, अतः परमात्मा अथात्म्य ज्ञान स्मृत्या अभाविके तन्निमित्त विज्ञाने बाधिते अभावः स्यात्. परमात्मादि याथात्म्य ज्ञान स्मृत्या, when Paramatma yathartha jnana smriti comes, then tannimitta vijnane badhite abhava. Abhava pravritti nam abhava. That pravritti will be avoided. Swabhavike means avidyake. Tannimitta avidya nimitta pravritti prayojaka kartritva vijnana. So that I have to do something, etc. All of that you will withdraw. ठीक है. भ्रांति प्राप्त भक्षणादि निरासेन निवृत्ति निष्ठतया निषेध वाक्यस्य मानत्ववत् तत्वमादेः अपि प्रत्यक अज्ञानोत्थ, not jnana. Ga, you have to make it complete basically. It is half ga, you make it full ga. प्रत्यक अज्ञानोत्थ कर्तृत्वादि निवर्तकत्वेन मानत्वोपपत्ति इति समुदाय अर्थः. What is the concluding meaning here? Bhranti prapta bhakshana. It's nirasena nivritti nishthataya. How nishedha vakya is pramana. Nishedha vakyasya manattvavat. Tattvamasya vakya also I am doing Bhranti Prapta some Kartritva, Bhoktritva, etc. From that, Bhranti Nirasena प्रत्यग अज्ञान उत्थ कर्तृत्वादि निवर्तकत्वेन मानत्वं प्रमाणत्वं अस्ति उपपत्तिः इति समुदायार्थ. So they are प्रामाणिक. Now पूर्वपक्षी has some other doubt. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.